Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to share your Google Form link. Now, the first thing you want to do is to access your Google Form dashboard. So you head over to your browser and then just type in Google Form and then click on enter. Remember, in the previous video, we told you the essence of Google Form, that it helps you to organize and to create forms, surveys, quizzes, questionnaires easily. It's an important part of your day-to-day activities. In creating quizzes or in creating surveys, you can collect information from people, like feedback, like opinions, contact information, or registration details. All of these are the kind of things you can use your Google Forms to do. All right, so after coming up to this page, you just click on the first link here and to get you straight up signed into your Google Forms. To get easy access to Google Forms, ensure that you already have your Gmail address logged into your PC or whatever you're using, and then it will just give you straight access to Google Form. Now, I want to head over to either create a new form or to work with the recent forms that we had before now. So I'll just click on this now, and it will open me up to the particular form I'm working on. Now, what I want to do or show you in this particular video is how to share your Google Form link. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to the top here. You will see some options up here, and then go to the last one here and then click on share. Ensure that you work on the persons you want to share this particular link with, who you want to give access to. And as you can see, I already have access to this form. Now, the second option here is the editor's view, which is restricted. I can decide to click on this drop down menu over here and then change it to anyone with link or leave it as restricted, or come to the second one here, responder view, and then change it by clicking on the drop down menu to anyone with link or remove link. Then after I have done that, I'll just head over here to click on done, and then I'll head over back to the top menu where I have these options here. The first, second, third, fourth, and the fifth option is to copy the responder link. So I'll just click on this and then I'll click on copy, and there I have been able to copy the link to make my form shareable. So this is how you can share your Google Form link. These are ways that you can share a Google Form link. Remember that you come to this plus icon over here, share, click on it, ensure that you personalize or you work on who you want to share your link to. When you're done, you click on done, and then you come over here, copy your link, and then you can easily paste the link wherever you want to send it to. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to share your Google Form link. Until the next one, bye for now.